DIYers, what's going on? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking cryptocurrency today and Huckleberry Inu rewards, and they come in Shiba Inu tokens. For us, this is a 1 week update. Let's take a look. All right, here we are on the computer, and on the screen right now, you can see our 3 favorite crypto tokens. Starting with the top, this is our very own DIY YouTube channel token, and its official name is Toolbox, and its ticker symbol is DIY, as you can see here, which means do it yourself. That's what we're all about at our YouTube channel. However, we will get to that here shortly. Below that, you will see HKBY, which is Huckleberry Inu token. And again, this is a 1 week update on the amount of Shiba Inu tokens we have earned by literally just holding Huckleberry Inu tokens in our wallet. Again, 1 week. So check this out. Over 170,000 Shiba Inu tokens have been given to us for 100% free by, again, just holding Huckleberry Inu tokens in our wallet. And in US dollars, that amounts to $1.40 that we've earned in only 1 week. How cool is that? In addition, definitely check out the video links down below in the comment section as well as the description section. It'll give you an opportunity to see all of our updates, going back to a 24-hour update on the amount of SHIB tokens that we earned, as well as a 48-hour update, a 3-day or 72-hour update. In addition, video links on our next updates, which will be a 2-week update, maybe a 3-week update, maybe a 1 month, maybe a 2 month, and more. So again, definitely check those out. We'll come back up here to the DIY token. What I want to do now is go to toolboxtoken.com and introduce you to our very own Toolbox token ecosystem. Here we are on the website, and this is our cryptocurrency token for the entire DIY community as well as our DIY channel. Again, it's called Toolbox, and the ticker symbol is DIY. And as you can see here, as simple as grabbing your toolbox, below that, buy on UniSwap. We have already created a liquidity pool, which consists of Ethereum as well as Toolbox token. So definitely check that out. To the right of that is a quick little 1-minute video of our announcement of the Toolbox token. So if you got a minute, definitely check that out. And above that, you can see the About, the Guide, Roadmap, Contact, and YouTube. Those are basically just quick links, and by selecting any one of those, it will quickly reroute you on the website to that specific section. To the right of that, Connect Wallet, and by selecting that, you can either connect your MetaMask or we use Wallet Connect, and Wallet Connect is incredible. It's a huge platform that consists of over 100 different wallets. So again, that's pretty awesome. I X that out, scroll down, trusted by over 125,000 followers and counting. That's our YouTube channel, and we've got even more than that right now, which is exciting, and we are very thankful for that. Below that, the token for the DIY community, and every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood, I promise you that. And at the very end of that is our white paper. We spent a lot of time and effort in putting that together, so if you got time and you're curious about our project and ecosystem, definitely check out that white paper. And as we scroll down, additional information to read, and here are our 3 ecosystem tokens. Starting with the Toolbox token, this is our foundational token, again DIY, and at the moment it says claim now, and we recently finished up our pre-sale, and this is where the pre-sale participants can claim their DIY tokens. And once all the pre-sale participants do claim their tokens, this will change to buy now. To the right of that is the Ratchet token. We're really excited about this because this is our membership token, which, as you can see here, all Ratchet holders gain access to many perks and benefits, one of which is the staking reward system, which in return allows you to earn our Socket token, aka governance token, which will allow you to gain voting rights for our charity. Below that, membership information on the Ratchet token, and at the moment you can see here the current price for our membership Ratchet token is 36 USDC. All you have to do is select one, or if you want more, that's up to you, and buy now. X that out. Additional token information, and here is the story, which explains why we're doing this and why we're having a lot of fun putting all this together. Our quick start guide, 4 easy steps. List how much DIY you would like to buy, connect your wallet, approve the transaction, and receive the DIY in your wallet. And below that is our roadmap, very important. We have completed phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 consisted of our token launch, again Toolbox aka DIY, our pre-sale event, as well as the very important step, Etherscan contract verification. Once we accomplished those 3 items in phase 1, we moved on to phase 2, and we got DIY token listed on a decentralized exchange, which was exciting. And that second item, we created that charity wallet that we just talked about. And we are now in phase 3, and this is a heavy phase, and we are excited about this. The Ratchet membership token goes live, the Socket token will be introduced, our DIY DAO will go live, and our liquidity pool staking rewards will go live. And after that, we're on to phase 4, and our hopes is we grow more than 10,000 DIYers, which will be really exciting, and continue listing Toolbox on more exchanges, as well as announcing additional partnerships. Below that, subscribe now. That will take you to our YouTube channel. Here's more information on our charity wallet, and stay in the loop. And I'll go all the way back up to the top. And again, I'll scroll down to right here. Every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood. I'll say that over and over. So definitely check out toolboxtoken.com, get to know more about us, and help us grow into an awesome ecosystem that we can all have a blast participating in. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.